Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Blockman Go on your tablet. Whichever type of tablets you have, the steps are the same and easy to follow. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your tablet and connect it to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once you are done, open your Google Play Store. In the search icon at the bottom of the screen, type in Blockman Go and search. Look for the Blockman Go application from Blockman Go Studio and tap on the download or the install button. Once the application is installed, tap on play. Now your Blockman Go application will load. In the first interface, you'll need to create your avatar and nickname. Go ahead and select your avatar and then randomize your name by tapping on the loop icon right next to nickname. You can also write down your own nickname in the text box. After you are done, click on Confirm Creation. On the next page, you will be able to see this menu. You are now inside the game. Now the next thing you'll need to do is to complete your account registration. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner from the home page, and you'll then be able to see your profile section. To register for your account, tap on the Register Immediately button. On the next page, to complete the registration, you can select one of these methods. You can go ahead and complete the registration with account password registration, email registration, Google registration, or Facebook registration. Choose any one login method. I'm just gonna tap on email registration. On the next page, write down your email address you have an access to and tap on Next. Now, go ahead and enter the verification code that you received in your email provided. Open up the email from Blockman Go, and then once you receive this security code, go ahead and type it down. Click on Confirm once done. On the next page, go ahead and enter a username for yourself and click Next. On the next page, set up a password for your account. Enter the 8-digit long password with numbers or symbols and letters in it. Once done, repeat the password in the next field. Finally, click Done. Now you have successfully registered for your account. You can then go ahead and adjust control size, graphics, or sensitivity for your account. Once done, you can go ahead and choose your favorite mini game and many more and start playing it on your tablet. So that is how you easily get started or play Blockman Go on a tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.